Scraps.
So Todd,
Yeah.
remind me, we owe him shots in his bedroom.
All right. Bedroom.
Putting his shoes on, brushing his teeth.
Brushing his teeth. Getting up. Is this getting up?
Getting up, yeah.
Okay.
And we'll make it look like early morning,
All right.
okay? So we'll be fine. The thing does not want to calibrate for me though.
Just vertically now. Okay.
Action! One more time. Just run and grab a battery. You should have one in his back like this, and you'll come out on this side, okay?
So I run back and forth.
Just once.
Okay, that's
See, from right about there, and then you just run down the path.
to about the distance of the
To right about in here. No, just you don't need to be that far.
Okay.
But yeah, that'll be fine. Go to her, and we're gonna do this in a one.